you. Time is yours.
Om Swastiastu. Hi, good morning, the judges and my friends. My name is Agung Dedalem Pujaan. I am from Lugo. Today, I would like to tell you the story about Mouse Deer and the tiger. One day, the tiger was wandering around for something. He was really hungry. While he was walking in the forest, he saw a mouse deer. The tiger went to hit him. So he slowly ducked, crawled, approaching the mouse deer. Then, gotcha! Wow! Hello, mouse deer. I'm really hungry right now. You, mouse deer, where are you? Oh, you will be my lunch. Mouse deer tried to be calm. He looked around and saw some false dung. I'm sorry, tiger. I'm sorry. I cannot be your lunch now. The king has ordered me to guard his cake. His cake? His cake. Where is the king's cake? This is the cake. But he does not anyone else to eat it. So he ordered me to guard it. You guard the cake? Can I taste it? Well, okay, but let's try it. So the king won't blame me. All right, mouse deer, you can go now. Now the time to eat king's cake. King's cake. I'm coming. Oh, oh. This is not cake. This is false dung. Mouse deer. Thank you. That is the story. Thank you very much.
He just showed us the game. Okay, for the contestant number 50.